Good weekend to you, sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad here. It appears that everyone quite liked my last British sandwich, the toast sandwich. So let's make real British sandwiches today. We're going to make the chip butty and the bacon butty. We'll need some bacon, some chips, ketchup, as the Brits say, HP sauce, some bread, and a roll. First, let's get the chips going. Let's get those in the air fryer. All right, let's go in. Get that bacon frying. For the bacon butty, let's toast that bun in the bacon fat a little. For the chip butty, I don't know. Are you supposed to toast it? Maybe just a little. All right, on our toasted bun, we've got the bacon and the HP. Maybe that's too much, maybe it's not enough. I guess we'll find out. There's that lad. For the chip butty, I believe you're supposed to butter the bread. And we pile on the chips, ketchup, and HP. And combine. There's that lad. Bacon, chip. Wonderful stuff. Sandwich.